Hey guys, welcome back. Big day today. We're really excited with all of the folks that came out and interacted with us on this giveaway. We're giving away the 0G hose. So like I said, I really appreciate everybody that came out and threw their name in the hat to win. It's really awesome to see everybody do that and come out to our page. Before we give the announcement on who won, I wanted to give you guys some information on some upcoming videos. We've got some content that we're going to be putting out on, this is the time of year where we're going to be, putting down grass seed and really, taking our lawn to the next level and getting it healthy coming out of summer as things cool down. We're going to talk about, five ways to fix that ugly lawn and get it looking great, and really performing by Halloween, because Halloween is the time when you're really supposed to have that lawn in shape if you're a fan of the yard and ready to show it off to all your neighbors that are going to be walking by and taking a look. So you want to dominate. Next thing that we're going to be talking about is I'm going to give you guys some ideas on why you should be putting some peat moss down on your lawn when you're putting that grass seed down, rather than putting straw or hay down, that just introduce some weird stuff. So we're going to be talking about that, and we're going to dive into some stuff about what we're doing out here in the wood shop. We picked up a new toy, a Porter cable drill press, so we're going to be putting that together. I want to kind of document that and kind of give you guys my thoughts on how that process goes and how it works for us, and get some wood shop content, because really the focus is lawn and garden and our wood shop on the Evergreen channel. So look forward to that content coming out over the next couple of weeks, along with some fall plantings that we're going to be doing. So without further ado, I know you guys are here for the winner. So let me look at the name here. All right, Heather Norman. Heather Norman, you're the big winner of the hose. So congratulations there. What you'll want to do is look for my email address below and shoot me an email to claim your prize, and we'll get it shipped out to you guys, or to you. So I really appreciate you taking part in this, and look for some upcoming content. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like the video if you choose to, but be sure to subscribe to see the upcoming content. Click the bell, click the subscribe button, and click the bell so you get notified when new content comes out, because we're going to have some new stuff coming here in the coming weeks. So with that, I appreciate it, guys. Check us out on social media below, and until next time, thanks a lot.